everyone, welcome back or to my channel. I'm Lexus and this is Nom Nom to Fitness. In today's video, I'm going to be working out. I'm going to be showing you my workout. So what I eat in a day video / workout.
I got tons of soul on my true collective ball. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want in house.
So right now I'm about to hop in the shower and then I'm going to make a delicious breakfast shake. So easy, simple ingredients, like 4 ingredients, and it is my favorite breakfast shake right now. Okay, for this smoothie shake, you're gonna need 4 ingredients. Some unsweetened almond milk, some frozen raspberries, frozen bananas, and some vanilla raw organic protein powder or meal replacement. And it could be any brand, doesn't matter. I use Garden of Life. I'm adding some almond milk. I added 2 frozen bananas. Now I'm adding the raspberries. I guess about a ½ cup. I think that's a ½ cup. I don't really measure things, I just add it as I go along. And I'm adding 1 scoop of the vanilla protein powder. So that is it, very easy to make. This is so good. I call it a smoothie shake because it's like a smoothie and a milkshake at the same time. It tastes like a raspberry vanilla milkshake. That's what it tastes like. I've been having this for breakfast like every day this week. Oh, got a brain freeze. Make this, and it's perfect for after a workout. Refuel those muscles, get all that energy back. Okay, well, I'm gonna go now and then I will show you what I have for lunch and dinner. I'm back eating some hummus and pretzel sticks. For lunch, I had a salad with some baked tofu on top. So here I have some garlic powder, some black pepper, nutritional yeast, and coconut aminos. So I'm just breaking up 1 block of extra firm tofu into a bowl. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of coconut aminos. And 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast. And I'm going to sprinkle on some black pepper and garlic powder. That is it. I just gently mix it up and bake it at 425 for about 15 to 20 minutes or until it's nice and golden brown on each side. I later made some buffalo chickpea taquitos. This is so good and easy to make. I first started off by sauteing 1 yellow onion, and then I added 1 red bell pepper. I just sauteed that until it was cooked down. Now I'm mashing up 1 can of rinsed and drained chickpeas with a potato masher. You can use a fork or a food processor. And I'm adding that to the skillet. Now I'm adding half a teaspoon of garlic powder and half a teaspoon of onion powder. I'm sprinkling on some black pepper and some sea salt. Next, I'm adding 3/4 cup of red hot sauce. And I'm adding 2 whopping tablespoons of vegan cream cheese. It's about 2 ounces. I'm using the Trader Joe's one. And next I'm adding about a half cup of some dairy-free cheddar cheese. At this point, I turned the flame off and I just let the cheese melt. I put some corn tortillas in the toaster as they were cooking in the oven, and I just ate it as a dip because it's also delicious that way. Okay, I'm now laying on my bed waiting for my sheets to get out the dryer. And that sums up today's video. That was it. Those buffalo chickpea taquitos were so good. You need to make those. Delicious. That's like my go-to snack now. It's kind of like a snack. It's like a snack, a lunch, a dinner, all that stuff. Something to eat if you're watching a movie, if you just want something quick, something to grab on the go, anything. But anywho, you get the point. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.